What's up, friends? It's your buddy Chris Young, your brother, sitting inside an absolutely beautiful Forest River Arctic Wolf by Cherokee 3880 Suite. And let me tell you, "43 feet long, roughly 11,000 pounds dry. This beauty is ready to entertain, whether it's for that camp couple or that family that you need to sleep, entertain, rest, relax. You want creature comforts of home, but more importantly, you want separation of space. And the reason why this is a suite is because wait until you see the suite, because that suite is sweet. Follow me down the rabbit hole on that, and we'll get there in a minute. Right here on the rear wall, you're going to notice a lot of residential features, from the solid wood balances here, the LED sconces, to the frosted glass inlays in the solid wood cabinetry here. Now, this is an extremely high, this is a full profile fifth wheel, which allowed Forest River to give 6'5" height on the slides. That's important. Why? Well, because A, it gives you much larger windows for light, breeze, the whole nine. But more importantly than that, watch what happens when I stand up from sitting down. I don't knock my noggin. And I'm 6'2", I got a giant head. I mean, huge head. So hitting your head, you can easily do inside the 3880 Suite. Over here on the campsite, you'll see that we have the recliner / sofa combo. This has the heats, the massage, everything on the ends. But these can recline out. You got the large windows. You got dual USB charging ports back here as well if you need to do some charging. Comfortable, relaxing, and ready to go. Now, if you want a sleeper, this is right back here in the queen size tri-fold sofa. That folds out, great space, can easily sleep two adults. You got your nightstands on both sides. Over here on the campsite, you got the access with the cubby holes, but take a look at the beveled edge that we have right here, giving it that rustic appearance. Power ports, dual USB charging ports, got the zebra shades. I'm a fan of these. Bob, my videographer, doesn't like them because, well, he has to worry about the light. Me, not so much, but I like how you get the option of as light or as dark as you want it. And to me, they just look cool and they're fun. Over here on the off-camp side, you got your entertainment center that also has an LED backlight. Just adds ambiance. You have a TV mounted in here, adds some nice ambiance. But more importantly than that, it can be a really good safety light. It's a night light as well. Frosted glass inlay here, matte black fixtures or graphite style fixtures. Plenty of storage space, plenty of component space. And with Forest River, you're going to get the mount. What is this for? Well, if you want to take just one TV, you put this on the mount, then you have the case slides. Just put it there, and you can just take your TV inside, outside, the whole nine. Fireplace with multiple flame settings, multiple LED settings, does a good job of knocking the chill off the air. Plus, that's electric. You're not running on LP, so you can run that pretty much anytime. Got the driven command system, AM, FM with dual zone. This can also be run from your app and has an HDMI connection. Coming into the kitchen, love this kitchen. Sure, because of the prep space, which I'm gonna get to here in a minute, and the walk-in pantry with the push-button light. Look at the shelves that I have there for storage. Obviously, if you use this RV for something like a hunting cabin or a fishing cabin, this is also great space for that equipment. Got a little mini mud room down there to put your dirty shoes if you want. I know the door says pantry, but if you're gonna invest in the RV, you can use it however you like. That's what I love about RVs. But my favorite part about this area is right here. Distressed table, adding to that rustic appearance, that updated features. The designers at Forest River really do a good job, not only with how they manufacture their campers, because they have a sustainable manufacturing process. They reduce and they reuse a lot of the materials to shrink that carbon footprint, but also to pass along savings. So it allows them to build you a camper like this, 2-inch thick lamination or 2-inch thick insulation all the way around this camper, graded insulation, two 15,000 BTU air conditioners, one here, one in the master, great furnace, great heat, great capability, heated enclosed underbelly, all at a price that when you see it, you go, whoa, okay, I get it. That's almost entry level, which I'm a big fan of. But good spot to reconnect. Multi-purpose for both prep and for eating. Got the slide out chairs, the bar stools, Love that. Over there, you'll see, I believe we have our O2 LP detector down at the bottom. Plus, we got power ports and dual USB charging ports here as well. Come over to the prep side on the off-camp side. Love it. Dual purpose backsplash. Doubles as a cutting board. So, you notice how that fits there? Look at how they designed everything to be usable, to come in handy. I can come over here, do my cutting, pull up this glass covered backsplash on my grill style grate right here. Love these because it makes the pots and pans easier to move around. Plus, you got design in the pressed surface countertop that we have here that is seamless, solid surface. Got my microwave, more storage here, my mushroom lights. Even got myself an LED push button light here on the controls. Got my oven there. Slide out storage for the pots and pans. Solid wood construction, full extension on the ball bearing drives. And look at the thickness of this construction in here. Plus, with the light on dark interiors, the graphite style fixtures, everything just looks good. I mean, it's one that when you want to go camping, you want to take the family, you want to stay in it. I mean, you want to enjoy it. And that's what Forest River thought of when they built a lot of their campers. The ease, the look, the beauty, the usability, this, how stable they are. They wanted you to enjoy your camper, because if you don't, you're not going to do it again. 12-volt fridge, freezer combo right here, which stays same temperature pretty much whenever you want it. Plenty of space for those long weekend getaways, but check out my coffee station area if I want to use it for that. Dual USB charging ports, but my sink area. Cutting board cover right there, farmhouse style undermounted sink with the sprayer handle, hand sanitizing station, plus plenty of storage. Spot there for the trash can, spot over here for whatever you want. Plus, we got the drawers there. Once again, solid wood construction, thick, well-built, sturdy. Got the frosted glass inlays in the high hutch area here. Love how the LED accent light goes over top as well on the outside. But plenty of room right there. Plenty of good space. Just, once again, just love the whole aesthetic here. Now, this is the 2021 Arctic Wolf by Cherokee 3880 Suite, fifth wheel. Command center is right here. Got my touch panel, turn on my lights, run my slides out, run the 4-point leveling system if I wanted to, check the water, run the heater, run the pumps, the whole nine, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that's beautiful. Wi-Fi, hotspot, it's there, got the extender, boom, it's built in. But the suite is sweet because of the suite that's here. Barn door separating the bunk room. Now, a lot of times with bunk rooms, and we don't even have the lights on in here because it's so bright. A lot of time with bunk rooms, you might get, single over single, or, maybe double over double, but they'll be up against the wall. This is a full over full, strut supported, and look at the storage that I have right there. Now, if you're using this as the hunting cabin, the fishing cabin, the weekend getaways, this is what you set up at your lake property or at the beach. You rent a spot for the year. You do some seasonal camping and you want to set this up in the mountains or whatever. That's where you can store all types of stuff. You hunt, you fish, put your gear down there. I got dual USB charging ports over there. Mushroom lights on the top bunk. Mushroom lights on the bottom bunk. I got my entertainment connections right here. Once again, my paw slide, so if I want to bring the TV in or if I need to share a TV, I could right there. That beveled edge continues around everything. Love the rustic look on that. On my storage shelf, entertainment center. But I thought, since these are in the slide, what a unique way to not only increase the sleeping space, but give you some options. With 300-pound capacity, you could probably get 2 adults up here. Definitely 2 kids. But the size and the strut supporting, great option. Love how Forest River added that in. Very ingenious, in my opinion. Now, we had mentioned that we have a 15,000 BTU AC in the living area, 15,000 BTU air conditioner here in the master bedroom as well, which I'm going to get to here in a minute. They do that because, let's say you want to sleep cooler than you live, or vice versa. You can do that, which is nice to have that 50 amp service giving you the 2 ACs. Barn door coming into the bathroom. porcelain bowl with the foot flush, large entry into the residential style shower with a single surround, the corner notches, got my sprayer handle there, large skylight. We don't even need the lights on in here either because of the natural light coming in. So during the day, I mean, can you really tell a difference? Maybe the reflection on my giant 789 head isn't as bad, but I mean, no. Plenty of room. I'm not cramped. Great space to get cleaned up. Plus, if I need to, I got my fan right there, which is powered and vent. And those high capacity blade fans, those things move like a foot of air a second. It's crazy. Got my large single basin sink right here, graphite style fixtures, motion sensing light coming in, some storage underneath. So just plenty of room. They want you to enjoy the camping, plus have the space, style, and comfort to, you know, do everything that you need to do while you're out there. Large door too. They made these bigger for 2021. Got the raised lip on my medicine cabinet there, making sure stuff stays in place while I'm in transit. I gotta tell you, I'm a fan of what Forest River did with the Arctic Wolves this year. And when it comes to the true separation of space, they want you in the master bedroom to have your space. I mean, take a look. We got almost 2 feet of walk around space over here. Plenty of room on the walk around residential king size bed. Over here, Bobby, I'm gonna see if you can get in. I'm gonna step out the way. That right there, you got storage space on both sides, but you also have this set up for washer dryer prep. So if you want to put a stackable in there, you could. Barn door separating that. You got your shelf space there, large windows. The bed is in a slide, which allows us to have more room and gives us the option of having the armoire or chest of drawers, as we say over here. Solid wood, deep shelves there. Got myself some storage for shoes underneath. There's my mount for my TV if I need it. Cable connections here. And mirrored ward storage, which, because I'm a stickler when it comes to nightstand space. Sure, you can have a bed and a slide. That's awesome. Gives us a chance to have a bigger bed. I dig it. But what if I got a CPAP machine? What if I need a reading light? Well, you got shelf space right here with power and USB charging ports down there. So they added that in. Very nice touch. Shelf storage space, hanging ward space, storage underneath. Plus, they got shelves right here on the mirrored ward. Got to tell you, I don't see anything bad. If you're a family or a couple, you're an active couple, you need space. You know you're going to have people joining you. You want to entertain. You want creature comforts of home. You want to walk into the area and be greeted with light on dark accents, LED lights, residential style sconces, and you just want to enjoy camping. I don't see anything bad about this one. Plus, we got some great storage on the outside of this 2021 Forest River Arctic Wolf by Cherokee 3880 Suite. So what do you say we go check that out? So here we are on the outside of the beautiful 2021 Forest River Arctic Wolf by Cherokee 3880 Suite. Right away, you see the beautiful molded fiberglass end cap with the LED run-in lights. Now, with this being a fifth wheel, you got the great Rhino box hitch right here. Storage compartment in there, plus our spare tire and battery, plus disconnect, and 4-point leveling system too. Check this out. Now, with this one being roughly 11,000 pounds dry, 43 feet long, roughly, I think it's like 43.7, having auto level is a fantastic feature. But to top it off, you got it outside, you got it inside, and you can do it from the app that comes with this one. Love it. 4-point leveling right there. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. It's a beautiful tang there, Robert. Come around to the campsite. Got your propane boxes here. Now, you had 20 or 30s in here. They're fit to stack a 30 easily. But one of the features they added this year that I really like, double access to the pass-through storage. This is great, because let's say you do have that family that's traveling. You don't have to wait for somebody to hand you stuff to load in. You got the magnets holding the anti-slam doors up here. Put everything in, finished off, enclosed, pass-through storage. Got my ports for my connections right here. So if I need to run out, I can. As you can see, got my TV hookup, my power hookup. If you want to mount a TV out here, you absolutely could. But love the space on this. Love how they did it. And underneath, check it out. So this is a enclosed and heated underbelly. But what's cool about it is the underbelly is closed off in segments. So if you need to access something, you don't have to roll back the whole thing. You can just take out the segment. You got the furry friend you want to take camping with you. They come with the leash latch. Forest River, once again, tip of the hat to how they do that. There's our dual zone driven speakers, which are also LED backlit, 20-foot awning with the LED light strip. Come over here. We got the solid step over steps going into the main entry, and they spent a lot of money on the graphics and the doors this year. Tempered glass that's tinted, privacy one way, plus the door is friction hinged, so the wind's not gonna slam it. If you wanna set up a skirt at your camper, these you can easily just take the pin out and remove the steps. Another just little nice feature that if you do wanna set up a skirt, you can. Got the extra large door handle, doubles as a guard, double axle, 15-inch aluminum rims, nitro-filled tires with the pressure monitors. Very good touch there. That's that Dexter Easy Lube axle on there too. Slide, which is also prepped for the slide toppers. If you want to get that added on, it is a good addition. You want to do the cooking, bring your own grill. Got my LP Quick Connect under there, which if you do, then I highly would recommend getting the twin 30-pound LP tanks instead of 20s. 4x4 sewer hose storage, bike rack on the back. Got the arch ceilings with the 3-inch rubber nozzles to make sure the rain, the snow doesn't stay on the top or fall on you or the slides. Plus, we're set up for backup camera. Got my 50-amp plug right here. Good little spot I want to set up. Great grabbing ghost storage right here. This is the entertainment room slide that's on the back rear. Love this spot because not only is it finished off, it's pretty high. So if let's say I was going fishing, I could probably get a rod in there. Might be a little tight. But good spot, good storage, and once again, you got the anti-slam, the magnetic latch, boom. Love it. Come around here, you can see we got our termination access right there with one of the gray handles. The other ones are just right here. Sewer, our black tanks, connections right there. External command center with shower that has hot and cold. Got your fresh tank fill, cable and satellite connection, city water connection, black tank flush. Other side of the pass-through storage. I like, because of the slide, how they gave you the little latch holder right here. Thinking about it. Other side of your propane holder as well. But the most important part of any camper is going to be right here. This is your info panel. So for example, gross vehicle weight right here is 14,000 pounds. Dry, this one's about 11,000 pounds, but it's 43 feet long. But if you're looking to sleep anywhere from 5 to 8 people comfortably, especially with those full bunks, I mean, and you want to entertain, you want some creature comforts of home, you want style, you want just, look, do I even need to say it anymore at this point? It's a great grab. Price point, construction, quality, and beauty. Can't go wrong with this one. But let me know what you think about the 2021 Forest River Arctic Wolf 3880 Suite. What'd you like about it? What'd you not like about it? Because we love hearing from you. And while you're at it, please click like, subscribe, and notify, so the next time we do a video, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young for Camping World and Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. I hope you found this useful. If you're looking for a camper, hopefully this is the one that's right for you. But talk to our specialists and let them guide you down the path of what's right to tow, where are you going to take it, what do you need. They're perfect at it. We got some of the best people on the planet working for us, and I appreciate them. Look forward to seeing you soon. Until then, come check out a camper. They're fun. Hello. I'll see you soon.